One way to gather statistics or other information for your essay is to use the library databases, such as LexisNexis. Another way, though, is to gather your own data using surveys or questionnaires. This is called primary research. Let's imagine you're writing an essay on should English be taught in elementary school. A great way to introduce your topic might be by presenting some statistics about what your peers or friends or even parents think about this issue. And a good way to collect data like this is using Google Forms. Let's try making a quick questionnaire. First, go to your Google Docs homepage and sign in. Now I'm going to create a new form. I'm going to hold down the Option key when I create this so it'll open in a new tab. We'll see why in a moment. Okay, this is the form. Up at the top is a title. Under that is some text you can include that will help people fill it out. And under that it begins with 2 sample questions. Now for the title, I'm just going to call it Jim's Questionnaire. Now for these directions, I'm just going to write a friendly little message. Please take a few minutes to fill this out. It will help me for my research. For the first question, the question title is actually the question. Okay, and the first question I'm going to ask people is, at what age did you begin studying English? Now down here is a question type. The default type is text, which means people type in their answer. But in this case, I want to have a multiple choice with several options. And my first option is going to be age 0 to 5. I'm going to add a second option, age 6 to 10. A third option, age 11 to 12, and a final option after age 12. And then I'm done. Okay, that's my first question. Now, sample question 2, I need to click the pencil button to edit it. Okay, this time my question is going to be another multiple choice, but very simple. It's going to be, do you wish you had started studying English sooner? And it will be a multiple choice, but only 2 options. The first is yes. The second is no. I'll click done. Okay, now to add a third question, I have to go up here to where it says add item and choose the type I want. Instead of multiple choice, I'm going to choose check boxes this time. Okay, what is the difference between multiple choice and checkbox? Well, first I'll paste in the question title, which is, which of these do you think might be an advantage to learning English in elementary school? Now, checkboxes, people can choose more than one option if they wish. They can check as many boxes as they wish. So my first option is going to be better pronunciation. My second one is going to be increases listening comprehension. My third box will be improves motivation. And one more, I'll click can learn more English by the time you finish high school. Now we also, with this question type, have an option called Add Other. Okay, I'm going to click that. That means people can type in their own answer if they wish, and I'll click that Done. Okay, I've now completed 3 questions for my survey. So what do you do once you've finished making the questions? Well, one nice little touch is go up to More Actions and click Edit Confirmation. When people complete your survey, they'll see your response has been recorded. Let's replace this with a message that's a bit more friendly. Also, if you click this box, Publish Response Summary, the people who complete your survey will be able to see a summary of all the results. Now, how do we actually invite people to take the survey? First of all, at the top it says G+ Share. Do not click this. This is Google+ Share. If you click this, Google will try to get you to sign up for Google+. That will take a long time. Anyways, that's not how we invite people to take the survey. To invite people, click Email this form. Here you can enter the email addresses of your friends, or if you want to invite all of your section mates, you could always use a Google Groups address. Okay, let's send that out. The form description will be included in the email. Now, what happens after we've mailed out the form and some people have answered it? Let's go back to our home, to Google Drive. Here we see Jim's questionnaire is at the top. I click on that. It looks kind of like an Excel spreadsheet. Okay, this already has some response data because I entered some to demonstrate this. First of all, I'll point out, if you want to share this with editors, go up to Share. Just like any other Google Doc, you can add the names of people you would like to co-edit. Keep in mind, though, you don't need to do this for people to fill out the form. This is only if you want a co-editor. Now, if after completing the form you want to go back and edit the questions again, you can do that up here in Form, Edit Form. Okay, that will edit your form in a new window, and you can go back and click Edit and re-edit some of these questions if you need to. But let's say for now you would just like to see some results. Back again under Form, we can see Show Summary of Responses. Now that opens a nice window that has some pie charts and tables of your responses. And in fact, we can click on these, copy the image, and even go back and paste it into PowerPoint. Okay, here we go. It is not a very high quality image, but it does work. If you just want to present the results of your survey in a PowerPoint, you can copy directly from the Google form. If you want it to look better, you might be better off exporting that data into Excel and making proper charts there. Anyways, this is the quick way to get some survey data yourself, to organize the results, and then use them either in an essay or in a presentation. Thank you.